while I'm on the road or on public vehicles. I mean, I think that's quite irritating, because you know, like they should have their mothers as well, they have their sisters as well, Like when they tease someone, I think they should like keep their mothers or their sisters in mind, their friends in mind. I mean, when I walk on the roads, I shouldn't have to carry that "do not mess with me" look or "do not mess with me" aura, even in the daylight, I think you should respect everyone. Okay? It's not like you see a girl this guy or this and that, I think that's the main reason why girls are not opening up in many places. Like Tilly Gorda Pani, like okay, you're working somewhere and workplace mother there are guys as well as girls, त्यसले गर्दा पनि केटीहरु हिचकिचाउँछ to open up and work freely in an environment, So I think that should stop. It not only happens like batomai, it happens in workplaces as well, everywhere. So I think guys should stop it, okay? They should stop it. They should stop it. I'm just like emphasizing on should stop it because त्यसले गर्दा women cannot like develop like
problems alongside physically, psychological depression.
Yeah, exactly. And then rape is like rape pani huncha yo त्यो. I think that's something you have to live forever with forever. अनि त्यसले गर्दा it's like मान्छेहरुले नि कस्तो सोच्छ यो केटी यस्तो भयो उस्तो भयो. They don't like see त्यो केटाको fault, They just see the केटीको fault. It's not like केटीहरुले त्यो dress up. It's not like that. I think parents should teach their sons to respect women, okay? Not like women should not be taught like dress त्यो पनि हो तर more than that I think guys should be taught to respect women पहिलादेखि नै. So that's my opinion on it.
So what do you think, यो जुन चिजको प्रब्लम छ यसलाई चाहिँ मिनिमाइज गर्नको लागि चाहिँ what can we do for that?
So first Mata, there are campaigns being held, this and that, there are street plays and everything going on. But I think more than that, there should be like parents control first of all. They should like check on their sons and most parents are like they don't check on their sons. Fine, maybe the sons lie to their parents as well. I think first Mata, strictly they should keep an eye on them. And girls should also be able to defend themselves. If they should be able to say no like boldly. They should not be afraid to take a stand or defend themselves. As a girl in this 21st century, it is very important for everyone to raise their voice against it.
Yes. So thank you so much for your time. तपाईले आफ्नो फेस गर्नु भएको जुन प्रब्लम छ त्यसलाई शेयर गरिदिनु भयो. What can we do भनेर चाहिँ त्यसलाई इलाबोरेट गरिदिनु भयो. त्यसको लागि पनि thank you so much for